Hi guys, welcome to Linux, our YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I'm your online instructor. So what's new in this video? In this video we will talk about how to extract a substring in shell script. But before start the lab session we need to understand few points, which is what is substrings and why we need to extract from string in shell. So a substring is any sequence of characters that appears within another string. It in simple terms it is just like as a part of a string. So basically, extracting substring from a larger string is a fundamental operation in text manipulation, which is an essential skill in bash scripting. Bash provides an option to extract the information from a string itself. You can extract the digits or given string using several methods. Here I'm going to demonstrate how to extract a substring from a string in a shell script. So let's start the lab session, then you get much more clear. Here you can see I am on my Linux terminal and currently I am using Red Hat 9.3 RHEL 9.3. Let me create a basic shell script and go with the first case, which is bash substring extension. So I start with my demo editor, demo.ss.sh, and I'll go with my first script. Let me copy it from here and then I try to explain. So now this is my first demo.sh script. In this first script, the first line point out shebang operator that indicate the interpreter to run the script in bash environment. Then in the next line, I'm taking user input via echoing the message, right? Please type your full name here. And hold this value in the form of name variable with the help of read command. So read command is used to refer to reading input or data from some source such as file, user input, or network communication. So here name is variable which holds the user input. Then in the next line, I'm extract substring from a specified position. Like this is the position, right? Which is known as length-based extraction. So in this line, I'm configuring substring expansion using syntax format, which is first of all, we have a variable, then we have a start and underscore index, and then the length, right? So here name $name colon 0 colon 4. This is substring expansion and it extract a part of the string stored in the name variable. So whatever the output is coming from here, it will hold it inside the new variable, which is first name. So let me break out this part again. Here I'm declaring a new variable name first name, which will hold the value of substring expansion. So this is substring expansion, right? Here name represent a variable. This is a variable which is there, which will hold the value of my substring expansion. And this is name, what you want to extract from here. In our case, this is the value of the user input. Then we have a start point, which is 0. 0 is the starting index. It tells the shell where to start extracting the substring. In this case, it starts from the first character of the string. So 0 is always first, right? And the second is length. The length means is how many characters the substring should contain. So 4 number is the length of the substring you want to extract. So it will take the first 4 characters from the string, which is starting from indexing 0. So in short, $name dollar is variable to get the value of variable. $name colon 0 colon 4 means to extract a substring from the variable name starting from the 0 index and including the next 4 character. So then the final line in the here I'm equaling final variable output, which is the first name, and with some custom message, which is your name start from this. So in short, what this script does, so in short, we first declare a variable called name here, which hold the value of your user input. In the next line, we use $name colon 0 colon 4 to extract the substring from name variable. 0 means start at the beginning of the string and 4 means the length of the substring is 4 character. And after that, we point out the substring result to the console. Now let me save it and quit from here and make it executable and then run it. So it's already saved. I'll go with chmod plus x demo.sh and now I'll go demo.sh. The moment I press enter, uh, please type your full name here. So I'll run the name Jack, Elyile. Oh, something is wrong. Let me check. Oh, I forget this to close this one. No worries. Let me close it. Now try Jack, Elyile. Yep, your name start from. So you can see show me the result of for first four character of my complete name, which is Jack. So this is how you can extract substring. Let's take another example. In the next example, I'm trying to get the last n character from string. Last n character. You can also extract substring from the end of the string by specifying a negative start value. Let's understand this concept. Another example. So I cleared out my demo.script. I'll again copy from my notepad. So this is my another script. Let me copy, paste it here. Again, I'm trying to explain NL. So now you can see uh, in this script, we declare a variable, again the name of the card name, and assign it the string which is user input. This time, however, we use name hyphen 4 with space, right? Minus 4 to extract the substring last four character from the string. So take note of the space before hyphen 4. Here's the space, right? So this space is important because it tells bash that -4 is not a default value for when name is unset or null, but rather the start position from the end of the string for our substring extension. So therefore, $name colon space minus R4R means start from the fourth position from the end of the string and extract until the end. So following this, we print out the substring last four character to the console by echoing echo your name last four character is first name, right? So let's try one more time. I'll go with the same pattern. Jack Ely. Hey, your last four name character is Ely. Ali. So you can see it show me the result from last four character of the console. In the same manner, we can take another example. In this case, in the next case, we can extract from fixed position, right? So again, make it blank. Again, I go with the new example. So how to go with the fixed position? Let me go one more. I'll copy paste and I'll try to explain this one more time. Okay, here in this script, we first declare a variable called color, right? Which will hold the value of user input. Next, we use color with the new variable name first name color colon 0, right? So color colon 0 to extract the substring from color variable. 0 means start at the beginning of the string and hold the result in a new variable which is first name. In the same manner, we have second name variable hold the substring value from first character of the string, and the third one is third name hold the substring value from fourth character of the string. After that, we print out the substring output to the console by echoing, and your color name is from first position, fourth position, and your name. So let's go and run it. So I'll say demo.sh. Type your favorite color. So suppose I say YELLOW, yellow. So your full color name is yellow, complete one, the first one, complete, starting from 0, right? The first from first position, the second name. So from first position, extract one, so yellow. So leave this Y. It is started from ELLOW, and from fourth position. Fourth is Y. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is starting from OW. So this is how you can extract from the fixed position. After the fixed position, you got the result. In the same manner, we can go with another example where we can find and replace the substring, which is another powerful feature of bash string manipulation is to ability to find and replace. You can use variable find replace syntax. Okay, let's go another example with this, then you get much more clear. So I'll go one more example, find and replace, right? So let me go very small script. Let me go with NL. Try to understand from here. So here in this script, I'm taking user input by echoing some text, which is what is the capital of India, right? And definitely some answer will be there. So to declare, here I declare a variable called value, which will hold the result in the form of string, which is user input. In the syntax, I mentioned result dollar variable name is my case, it's a value. Then the output, if it is Delhi, it is lowercase DELHY. I want to convert in uppercase D, right? So here I'm instructing to replace the first occurrence of the word, which is in lowercase DELHI with uppercase capital DELHI. So instead of displaying the content original variable, it show you the line with the change word. Let's try. So if I go again, what is the capital of India? And if I say Delhi, you can notice your answer is uppercase Delhi. Uppercase. So this is how what you can do. This is how you can find and replace the first occurrence of substring. In the same manner, we can replace all occurrence of substring, not only one. You can also replace the multiple occurrence of the substring inside a string. So let's go for this. Again, I clean out and I'll just go one more example, which is very simple script. Try to explain. Save and quit, and I go this one. So in this script, I'm taking user input by echoing some text which is birthday message, right? And declare a variable called value, which will hold the result in the form of string, which is user input. In the syntax, dollar value many to so many line, the name of the variable, which is the just to store the entire sentence. In our case, the variable name is results. Whatever the output is coming from here, it will hold inside the new variable, which is result, right? Only one thing, only one thing you will notice here. I use extra space, extra slash from here after the value, after my variable value, which is value here. So it made it replace all occurrence of many with so many inside the sentence, right? So let's try. So if you have a multiple, you can use twice, right? Let's go. I run the hit and enter. So if today is your birthday, let me wish you on this. I said HEPPY happy birthday, and I say many. Focus on many words. Many happy returns. That's it. So I use here many. This is the multiple more than one occurrence. The moment I press enter, you can say your answer is happy birthday. So many. It means it what it will do. It replace the all occurrence of many word to so many. So this is also use case where you can um, find and replace all occurrence. Even we can take one more example. We can remove the first occurrence of the substring, not replace. We can remove it also. You can also remove the occurrence, first occurrence or all occurrence of substring inside the string. Let me show you this one also. I'll open one more time. Let me try to go with another example. Now try to read this file, read this script. In this script, again I'm taking user input by equaling some text which is enter the file name without file extension and declare a variable called file name and which will hold the result in the form of string which is user input, right? In the syntax, file name slash dot star is the name of the variable where I have just stored the entire sentence, and in our case this the variable name is base name, right? Here I'm instructing that takes a file name, store in the file name in the form of variable, remove the file extension, the part after the last dot, and store the result in base underscore name, and after it showed your end result, right? Slash symbol, this one, slash symbol in the parameter expansion, remove the shortest matching part from the end of the string, and dot star, this is the pattern that match the dot followed by any character after it, which is typically the file extension. go demo.sh. Please enter your file name without extension. Suppose I give the name redhat.txt. It will only show the file name redhat, which is redhat, not txt. In the same manner, we can remove all occurrence of the substring. Let's do it. I'll open the file. Uh, One more time. Save and quit. Let me try to explain. Basically, this script remove all occurrence of ABC from the string value, which is value, right? So twice, again I'm using twice here, twice. This is used to remove all instance of substring as opposed to a single slash, which would only remove the first occurrence. So here what I'm saying, plus echo, please type something unique string, whatever the user input from there. I hold it as a new value, which is value variable, and then I use dollar value and twice ABC, and then I finally get the result. Echo your result is. Let's go demo.sh. The moment I press enter, it is asking something for me. I said ABC, say hello Linux. Again I say ABC. So now when I press enter, your result is hello Linux. It will, what it will do, it will remove all occurrence of ABC word from here as well as here. So guys, hopefully you got the idea how we can extract a substring in shell script, and that's all about today's demo. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned new things. Soon I will come up another with new interesting topics. Till that, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed out or you wanted to know more something else, please reach out through my social media link which is mentioned in the description. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.